This is the Epson EH-670, a new home cinema laser TV, and we're going to find out together what it can do. Enjoy this video. The EH-LS670 is available in two color variants, here in black, and there's also a white version. As is typical for laser TVs, the projector can be placed very close to the wall and still achieve large screen diagonals. Let's unpack the projector and see what's included. The projector itself, the remote control, including batteries, the power supply, and the user guide or quick start manual for easy setup. Quick fact check, what can the projector actually do? We have 3600 lumens, of course 4K resolution, Epson's typical 3 LCD technology with a laser unit, and AI-powered image optimization. Additionally, we have HDR10 support up to 240 Hz. Overall, in practice, this results on the one hand in bright and vibrant colors, and on the other hand in crisp contrasts and deep blacks. The image size, of course, does not disappoint either. The LS670 can project up to 120 inches, but of course it can also go smaller depending on how far you place the projector from the wall. And for fine-tuning, we naturally also have keystone correction. Let's move on to the sound. As is typical for laser TVs, speakers are already built in. Epson equips the LS670 with a 2.1 system featuring 20-watt speakers. The whole thing is powered by Bose, so that already promises rich, room-filling sound directly from the device. If you want, you can also connect an external pair of speakers or a sound system, either via Bluetooth or through the 3.5mm jack or optical out. And that brings us to the projector's connections. In addition to the two aforementioned audio outputs, the connections also include 3 HDMI ports, one of which supports eARC, as well as 2 USB-A ports for example, USB sticks, and a small USB-B port for service purposes. Of course, the power connection is also a must. All the connections are, of course, on the back, which means that during normal use, when the projector is placed in front of the wall, you won't see any of the cables at all. Setting up the projector is also super easy. You can do it with the Epson app. You simply take a photo of the projected test pattern and the projector automatically adjusts the image to the screen and corrects any unevenness. What you also can't miss with such a modern laser TV are the smart features. Here we have Google TV integrated, which means Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, YouTube, all available directly on the projector. You can control everything either by voice command or in the classic way with the remote control. And thanks to the integrated Google Cast, you can also admire your vacation photos from your phone directly on the big screen. A definite highlight is the integrated gaming mode. It reduces input lag, and together with the 240 Hz, you get a smooth and immersive gaming experience. And of course, all common consoles and streaming games are supported. Compared to a lamp projector, a laser TV like this is of course extremely durable. Epson states that you can use the projector for up to 20,000 hours before the light output drops to just half of its original performance. That means if you watch movies for 2 hours every day, you'll enjoy the device for a whole 27 years. Let's get to our conclusion. UHD is already a great thing in itself. No one walks through the picture. The 120 inches, the rich colors, and the sharp contrasts here are truly excellent and make this projector perfect for your living room, for gaming, for movies, for series, or even for very small rooms where you can't place the projector far from the wall. So with 4K UHD, the bright light output, and the smart TV functions, you really have an excellent all-rounder for your home here. We've linked the projector and suitable screens for laser TVs for you down in the video description. And if you have any questions, just write to us in the comments or contact our visunext experts. And if you're interested in a mobile yet stylish projector from Epson, then we have just the right video for you here about the Epson EF72. I will see you next time. Take care and have a great day.